Have you ever bought a robot vacuum hoping you'd never have to think about cleaning again, only to find yourself rescuing it from door thresholds, pulling hair out of the brushes, moving cables out of the way, emptying dustbins every few days, and then sending it back to clean the edges that it somehow missed the first time? Robot vacuums have come a long way over the last few years, but there always seems to be something that still needs your attention quite frequently. But that's exactly what the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra is trying to solve. Rather than simply cleaning better, the goal here is to make cleaning something you barely have to think about anymore, so let's check out what this thing can do. Now, the first thing I noticed after setting it up is that it really does feel like a flagship robot vacuum. Everything about it has been designed to minimize the amount of interaction that you need to have with it, whether that's navigating around your home, cleaning awkward areas, dealing with pet hair, and it even looks after itself once it's finished cleaning. And I also like the sleek black design, and also it's a fairly compact base considering all of the features. And one of the biggest upgrades is something that Dreame calls the Dual Extra Extend Arms, and honestly it's probably my favorite feature because it's solving one of the biggest weaknesses of robot vacuums. Now, normally when your robot vacuum reaches a wall or corner, it gets as close as it can before carrying on. Often it just leaves that little strip of dust around things like your skirting boards or awkward gaps around your furniture, but the X60 tackles this differently. The side brush can physically extend up to 12 centimeters, while the mop extends out by 18 centimeters, and this allows it to actually reach into places that most robot vacuums simply can't. Now, whether that's along your skirting boards, under the kitchen cabinets, or around furniture legs, it does a much better job physically reaching the dirt rather than just getting close to it. Now, another thing that really impressed me is how well it navigates. Robot vacuums used to follow fairly basic patterns, but this one feels much more intelligent. Dreame's new AI OmniSight 3 combines dual 120-degree AI cameras along with lateral 3D structured light and LED illumination to build a much better understanding of what's around it. It can recognize over 320 different object types, it reacts to new obstacles in around 0.1 seconds, and it plans routes much more efficiently than previous generations. Now, in practice, it means simply fewer awkward bumps into furniture, better avoidance of things like cables, shoes, or pet bowls, and much smoother cleaning overall. And it's even got the ability to watch through the camera while it cleans. And given that I'm currently moving house and I've got boxes everywhere, this has allowed it to clean much more efficiently. I was also impressed with how quickly the fast mapping feature worked, and it quickly went round the house the first time to create my floor plan. Now, speaking of getting around the house, another feature I found really useful is the upgraded Pro Leap system. If you've ever owned a robot vacuum before, you'll know that slightly raised door thresholds can often be enough to stop it reaching another room, but the X60 uses retractable legs and swing arms that allow it to climb over surprisingly large obstacles, handling single thresholds up to 5.2 centimeters or even double layered obstacles up to 10 centimeters. And obviously not every home needs that sort of capability, but if you've got thicker transitions between rooms or awkward flooring, it's the sort of feature that you don't really appreciate until you need it. And in my front room, I've got this awkward table that my previous vacuum cleaner managed to force its way over, but then it would get stuck inside it. But thankfully, the X60 Pro can easily climb in and out. Now, another clever thing that the X60 does is automatically adapt itself depending on the type of floor it's cleaning. It can independently adjust the mop pads, the rolling brush, and even the chassis, allowing it to separate wet and dry cleaning, so it means that your carpets don't get wet. Now, it's one of those features that you barely notice because it happens automatically, but it means that you don't have to keep changing settings or manually add things every time you want it to do hard floors or carpet. Now, of course, reaching the dirt is only half the battle. It still has to pick it up, and that's where the cleaning performance comes in. The X60 Pro Ultra Complete delivers an impressive 42,000 pascals of suction, and this paired with Dreame's Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0, and rather than using identical rollers, one brush has bristles, and that works really well on your hard floors between the tile gaps, while the TPU rubber roller is designed to lift the debris from your carpets. Now, Dreame has also increased the thickness of the rubber strips by 60%, and they've boosted the brush speed to 1600 RPM, helping it dig much deeper into thicker carpets while also maintaining excellent anti-tangle performance. Now, the mopping system is just as impressive, using dual rotating mop pads spinning it up to 280 RPM with 15 newtons of downward pressure, and this allows it to clean more effectively than simply dragging a damp cloth across the floor. Now, as someone who's constantly dealing with hair around the house from the dog, that's definitely something I appreciate because cleaning tangled brushes is one of those maintenance jobs that no one enjoys. Now, one thing I also like is that the robot doesn't just react to obstacles, but it also reacts to dirt. Using proactive light dirt detection alongside its AI vision, it can identify things like fine dust, darker stains, and transparent messes that would normally be much harder for a robot vacuum to detect. Now, rather than treating every section of the floor exactly the same, it can adapt the way it cleans depending on what it's actually seeing, and this feels like a much smarter approach than simply following a fixed route. Now, of course, even the best robot vacuum still isn't completely hands-free, and you're constantly emptying bins and washing mop pads, and that's where this docking station becomes just as important as the robot itself. Once the X60 returns home, it automatically empties the dustbin into a larger collection bag, and Dreame quote up to 100 days before you need to empty that yourself. It also automatically refills the robot's water tank, it mixes in the cleaning solution, it even washes the mop pads using heated water up to 100 degrees Celsius, and then it also dries them with hot air to keep everything fresh and ready for the next clean. Now, another nice touch is the new 11 amp PowerMaster fast charging. Thanks to the 5000 mAh battery, the dock can restore around 24% battery in just 5.5 minutes, so if the robot ever does need to stop partway through a larger clean, it can quickly top itself back up before continuing exactly where it left off. Dreame says it can cover up to 1,000 square meters in a single cleaning session, so unless you live in an enormously huge property, battery life is unlikely going to be something you're going to worry about. If your home can support it, there's even an optional plumbing kit available, so the dock can automatically refill and drain itself without you having to manually take the tanks out. It's one of those quality of life features that really add up over time because they remove so much of the day-to-day maintenance. Now, if we jump into the app, everything is really well laid out. You can see you've got the home map with your rooms color-coded and labeled. You can start or pause cleaning, send the robot to a specific room, create no-go zones, or customize exactly how each room is cleaned. You can adjust the suction power, water levels, cleaning intensity, and create schedules so it automatically cleans while you're out the house. And of course, it also supports multiple maps if you want to do the upstairs as well. There's also carpet management, pet settings, cleaning history, and because the robot supports Matter alongside the voice assistants, it integrates nicely into the wider smart home setup as well. Now, if you've got pets, you're also going to find some nice additions like pet recognition, pet area cleaning, and even automatic pet snapshots while it's cleaning, and this is quite a fun little feature. Now, when it comes to the unboxing, if we go ahead and open it up, you can see we first got the quick start guide, followed by a box containing spare brushes, rollers, filters, mops, bags, and even the cleaning solution, and I really like that it does come with all of these spare parts. We then get the X60 robot vacuum, the ramp for the base, a box containing the manual, mop heads, another bag, and the power cable, and then finally we've got the base station. It was also really easy to set up, and the app walks you through literally everything, but it's essentially just plugging in the base station, scanning the QR code with the app, putting in your Wi-Fi and password, then all you've got to do is fill up the water tank and cleaning solution, and you can set the X60 off on its first clean. Overall, I think what Dreame has done with the X60 Pro Ultra Complete isn't simply making a robot that's more powerful than the last one. Instead, they've looked at all of the little things that still require your attention and tried to remove them. So we've got better edge cleaning with the extending arms, AI-powered navigation, improved obstacle climbing, automatic floor adaptation, stronger suction, anti-tangle brushes, proactive dirt detection, one of the most capable, compact, self-containing docks that I've seen, and it all combines to create a robot that genuinely feels much closer to being fully autonomous. And one final thing worth mentioning is that Dreame has also announced optional accessories like the upcoming CyberX stair climbing module, and this is going to allow the X60 model to climb upstairs and clean across multiple floors in the future without needing to be manually moved upstairs. And I haven't been able to test that because it's launching separately later on, but it's nice to see a platform that has room to grow beyond what it's already capable of. And of course, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check out the Dreame X60 Pro Ultra now for yourselves. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.